Practice set 24, solving multi-step problems, and check. When there's multi-step problems, we have to peel away the layers to get the variable by itself, and that's accomplished by going backwards through the order of operations. So the last thing, if we were simplifying this, would have been to do the subtraction. That's the first thing that we're going to undo. So we'll add a 12 to both sides to maintain equality. That results in a minus 12 plus 12, canceling one another out, leaving a 4x by itself. Negative 10 plus 12, we're adding sign numbers. The difference is 2, and the larger one is positive. The only thing left on the variable is a multiplication by 4. That'll be countered or undone with a division by 4, leaving us with 4 divided by 4 is a 1. 1 times x is an x. And reducing the fraction, 2 divided by 4, or 2/4, is 1/2, or perhaps written as the decimal 0.5. Checking this to see if, in fact, we have the correct solution, I'm going to replace the variable with that answer that we had. So 4 times x, or 0.5 minus 12, does it give us a negative 10? Multiplication is the priority when we're simplifying an expression, in this case, and 4 times a half is going to leave us with a 2. 2 minus 12 is the same as 2 plus a negative 12. Using the rule of subtraction, I'm adding different sign numbers. I'm going to subtract, which gives me a 10, and putting the sign of the larger looking number, we do end up with a true statement. So our solution is correct. In problem number 9, we also have multi-steps. To solve for the variable, peeling away the layers, we're going to undo the last priority from the order of operations, which is a subtraction of 12. The undoing of subtract 12 is to add 12 to both sides, maintaining equality. 12s are gone, leaving a 0. Added to the x over 2 is just x over 2. 48 plus 12 is 60. And returning to the variable, the only operation is a divide by 2. To counter a division, we will multiply. And to maintain equality, both sides get multiplied by that 2. This 2 over 1 cancels out the 2 in the denominator, leaving us with a 1. X times 1 is x, and 60 times 2 is 120. Checking to see if the solution is correct, replacing the variable with the value we found, 120 over 2 minus 12, does it equal 48? Simplifying on the left-hand side, order of operations, the priority would be the division. 120 divided by 2 is 60. 60 minus 12 does in fact result in a 48, so we know that we have solved the equation correctly.